the iconic Howrah Bridge that has been fortified for the march. No vehicles allowed on Howrah Bridge. Massive security beef up in Howrah. Key entry points to Howrah has been blocked, is what we know. The iconic Howrah Bridge has been completely fortified.
Howrah Bridge in Kolkata, which connects Kolkata to Howrah, is being fortified. Not for the first time ahead of any rally, but this is something that we haven't really seen. The gates that are being kept over here, these are iron gates, and they are being welded to make sure that protesters are not able to dismantle the gates. Time and again we have seen that if there is one layer of barricading, these barricades are dismantled, these barricades are pushed aside and the crowd walks in. Maybe to stop that, there are two layers of gates, iron gates, which can be seen over here. And they are being tied up to make sure that these gates cannot get dismantled. There's a huge deployment of the Kolkata and Howrah police that is present on this bridge, which is a very, very iconic bridge. More than commuters who ply on this road, who take this route for regular traveling towards Howrah station, there's more deployment of the police to make sure an untoward incident is not allowed to happen over here. What is also important is to see that how the preparations are being done. Once again, we'll have a look at these gates which are being welded to make sure that they cannot be dismantled. More gates are coming over here, they will be used to make sure that there's adequate security, and the crowd that is walking towards Nabanno, which can be reached through this particular road, this particular bridge, is stopped over here. With camera person Orko, this is Suryagni Roy for India Today, Kolkata.
Suryagni Roy getting us those defining pictures there of the iconic Howrah Bridge. It has been completely barricaded and traffic movement has been stopped. Surya, once again, just take us what do you see around you. At the end of the day, this was the road that the protesters were planning to take, if I'm correct. Give us an idea about the kind of inconvenience also this is causing for the general public of Kolkata, the people of Kolkata.
Well, Sneha, we often use a word fortification or fortified. But today what I'm looking at right now at Howrah Bridge, completely resonates with that particular word, fortification. I am at Howrah Bridge. You can just have a look at it. There are hundreds of cops over here in their uniform. The vehicles that regularly ply on this particular road on Howrah Bridge, which connects Kolkata to Howrah and Howrah Bridge specifically, they have been stopped. Commuters are walking from Howrah Bridge and they are crossing this particular bridge. I'll ask my camera person to zoom in and show you those two big vehicles behind us or in front of us. They are called Vajras. They are Kolkata Police's water cannon vehicles. Two of them have been deployed. There are hundreds of men in uniform. But what is interesting to observe and look at is something that is just happening in front of us. I'll ask my camera person to just come back towards us and show us the fortification process. It's completely fortified. There are two layers of gates. One, the blue one, and then there's a one that is in front of us. Generally what we have seen in protest marches is that there's only one layer of barricading, but what we have also witnessed is that these barricades can be dismantled. Barricades are often dismantled in a protest march or something, but what is happening over here is to make sure that doesn't happen. This is happening. What is this? This is welding to make sure that these barricades are not dismantled. This welding is happening on at the gates of Howrah Bridge, with two layers of these gates, of these barricades in front of us to make sure that these gates are not, they're not allowed to get dismantled, and the protesters are stopped over here. The process has started sometime back over here, and once again, it's very important to see the number of police personnel that have been deployed. It's completely turned into a fortress. Hundreds of police personnel, many IPS officers, constables, the rapid action forces here, the water cannons are here. There's also, we can see there's there's an ambulance of Kolkata police, not one, I think there are two of them, to make sure that if any untoward incident happens, medical rescue can be given. There are fire brigade vehicles. It's completely turned into a fortress. Hundreds of
stunning pictures coming in there from
personnel.
Howrah, where fortification is being done. It's not just barricading, but fortification that is being done. Look at the police presence there. I'll come back to you, Suryagni. We have more news coming in. Kolkata police, they're applying mobile oil on barricades. This is to see if people try to climb atop the barricades. It will be slippery, they will fall, and it's going to be difficult to climb there. That's what we're seeing in these pictures right now. Suryagni, everything that is being done. With the police applying oil on the barricades to ensure that protesters, even if they make an attempt to climb, they fall down and are unable to. What you see on your screens right now is that the police is applying oil on the barricade so that if an attempt is being made for anybody or for the protesters to get across, they are unable to. Essentially, they slip and fall down. It's a precautionary measure, but the Kolkata police there pulling out all the stops there to prevent the protesters from crossing over these barricades that have been put up. Barricades are getting oil there. Cops are applying oil on the barricades to prevent the protesters from crossing over. These are pictures, remember, coming to you live from Howrah Bridge in Kolkata, where everything possible is being done to prevent the protesters from moving across. Protesters are planning a march to Nabonna, the state secretariat, the headquarters of the government there. But the Kolkata police is doing what it can, whatever is in fact possible to prevent the protesters from moving forward. Absolutely stunning. With these images now coming in, with the police doing what they can to prevent the protesters from moving ahead, so that the protesters essentially fall down if they try to come up. In fact, if they try to move across this barricade. This is the iconic Howrah Bridge, which has been completely fortified, preventing the protesters from moving forward. A big nightmare, a headache really for the Kolkata police and the administration, and they're doing what they can to prevent them. On your screens, pictures are of oil being applied on barricades to prevent the protesters from climbing them so that they slip and fall and are unable to climb. Going straight back to Suryagni Roy, getting in those details from Kolkata. Suryagni, right at the Howrah Bridge, the cops are doing what they can, and I don't think this has ever been done before. Applying oil on the barricades to prevent the protesters from moving forward so that they slip and fall.
Well, that's not happening at this particular point, but
Okay.
Our other colleague Shreya has reported that. And, as you were saying, that the cops are doing whatever it takes to stop this rally at different junctions. Once again, it's important to show you the fortification process. As you know, you mentioned, Sneha, that it's not simple barricading. It's not just a couple of barricades to stop some protesters. It's complete fortification. And when I say fortification, I guess, we can see that clearly. Welding is being done on the third layer that we showed on our previous slide to make sure that these gates are not, dismantled. Because generally, we have seen that gates which are generally kept at the front, they are dismantled. So the Kolkata police is not taking any chance and leaving any scope for the supporters or the protesters to walk in and overpower the gates. Once again, it's necessary to show you how this particular bridge is being used by commuters. They are walking it down. It's almost 500 or 600 meters is the length of this particular bridge, which takes you directly to Howrah station, and it's an iconic place. Everyone who who speaks of Kolkata, the first thing that comes to your mind, or the first picture that comes to your mind, is of either Victoria Memorial or this iconic bridge, and it's turned into a fortress, as I've been speaking. Hundreds of cops, multiple layers of barricading. There are water cannons present over here.